Team Keychron is back this year, all charged up with a new product. Introducing Keychron K2, an 84-key wired or wireless dual-mode mechanical keyboard. It's much smaller compared to the traditional 87-key keyboard, but it still offers the most commonly used shortcut keys. Designed for both Mac and Windows, it allows you to switch between OS easily. It also offers Mac function keys, which lacks in most other keyboards. K2 features Gateron switches that will give you excellent tactile feedback. Whether you are like linear, clicky, and a little in between, we've got you covered. Featuring white and RGB backlit, it has over 15 different light effects. You can switch between them with one touch. With the adjustable rubber feet stands, an incredible typing experience is yours. With the largest battery capacity inside any mechanical keyboard ever, the K2 is good enough to last up to 2 weeks on a single charge. The K2 allows you to connect up to 3 devices at once, making it the most productive and efficient mechanical keyboard on the market. K2 also features a Type-C interface for those who want to use it in wired mode. K2 is not just any other mechanical keyboard, but a brilliant typing experience you can't resist.
Three, two, one, ignition. Hex Gears, in collaboration with Konos Store, is proud to present its flagship product, the X1, an ultra-thin, high-performance mechanical keyboard. Its design is inspired by the world's first supersonic aircraft. With a sleek CNC machined aircraft-grade aluminum case, state-of-the-art RGB backlighting, and multi-device Bluetooth connectivity, the X1 spearheads a new class of mechanical keyboard. The X1 uses ultra-thin Kiowa chalk switches, which offer extreme performance. Chalk switches have a higher activation point and shorter travel than traditional mechanical models. That means they're faster and easier to press. Full RGB lighting and custom WASD backlight modes can evoke your personality or match your style. The X1 uses an incredibly fast USB Type-C connection and has the fastest available polling rate. If gameplay or business takes you outside of the office, the X1 has you covered. It's incredibly travel-friendly due to its compact and uncompromising form factor. Aircraft-inspired engineering gives it a style that makes any setup look sleek and classy. The X1's specially designed frame improves Bluetooth performance. You can easily pair it with up to 4 separate devices, which lets you control your entire digital world with a single keyboard. It's a top-tier way to use all your tech, not just computers. Our company, Hex Gears, built the X1 for gamers, creatives, and those who crave the best gear. Launching new products in the United States can be very expensive. Traditional companies spend a fraction of their budget to make keyboards better. We're taking a different tack by skipping expensive marketing and presenting our keyboard directly to you, the largest community of early adopters in the world. We know the X1 is the most innovative, low-profile keyboard you'll find. Please support our campaign to help us bring you a better class of keyboard.
Meet Libre, the best iPad case with keyboard in the world. Libre features a 3-piece, easy-to-customize magnetic design. You can use only the back cover as a stand, add the front cover for better style and protection, or transform your iPad into a laptop. You can detach the keyboard and work in a position that's most comfortable for you. Not only is Libre's keyboard wireless and light, it's the thinnest backlit keyboard on the market. The keys are ultra quiet with great feedback, making Libre ideal for low light situations where you want to type without disturbing others. Many users have a device that could also use wireless keyboards. That's exactly why we give Libre the ability to quickly switch between 3 profiles. It works with any device that supports Bluetooth keyboards, including TVs, Macs, PCs, iOS, and Android devices. Libre is built for people who take their iPads everywhere and appreciate quality design. We spend a lot of time researching iPad users, listening to their feedback before designing Libre. We selected premium wood felt and faux wood material to add a look and feel that truly complements your iPad. We call it Libre because it can liberate how you use your iPad. So pledge your support today and get ready to experience the best keyboard case for iPad.
Today, the FlyShark team brings you a solution for fashionable, ultra-thin, portable Bluetooth keyboards. First, let's look at traditional keyboards. Traditional keyboards have small keys which can cause users to type incorrectly and can be inconvenient to input by hand. Now, let's look at a Surface keyboard. Surface keyboards have thin keys with little response that can cause users strain after long-term use. The FlyShark has a deeper response and more comfortability to the touch. Other portable keyboards also have some disadvantages. For example, some keyboards do not comply with user keystroke habits, are too large, and often too heavy for portable use.
In this smart age, our design requirements for a Bluetooth keyboard are fashionable, light, thin, strong, and portable. Initially, our team had designed a myriad of solutions. We tested each solution one by one. Here are some samples we discovered during the research phase. Mold processing. We chose to go with a fold keyboard design. Due to this, figuring out how to implement the fold design was the most important part. Spindle is the key. Our team needed to design a strong, reliable, and realized solution to solve this key point. After hundreds of tests, our final decision was to contour machining integration of the aluminum in two sides of the keyboard and put the spindle above the main part. By connecting the metal spindle on both sides, the joint has become stronger and more precise. Plastic material is connecting the fold points. During the research phase, we tested more than 10 different materials over 1,000 times.
The FlyShark's outer casing's hinge is made from aerospace composite plastic, which is very strong and durable.
Look at this model. You will see we chose a metal material that is ultra thin and very strong. Among all the metal materials, we decided aluminum met our requirements to be lightweight, strong, easy to process, and have a nice appearance. We made the keyboard out of aluminum in order to take advantage of the properties aluminum has to offer. After you open it, you will notice the frame is very narrow, has full-size keys, and a traditional keyboard arrangement. We strongly believe this is the most fashionable and functional product on the market. We hope our product is what you